Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the error code 403 on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, right-click, and open up the Task Manager. Once you've gone ahead and opened up the Task Manager, that's going to look like this. What you're going to want to do first is end any Roblox-related tasks. This includes things like shaders as well. So if you use like row shade or anything like that, basically you want to come across and end anything from here. To do this, for example, you can see I've got the Roblox game client running. What you want to do is click onto the Roblox related task and come up and press the End Task button. You want to go through and do this for everything related to Roblox. Then what you want to do is come back to your desktop. Now, the next part of this tutorial is to come down to your search icon down in the bottom left-hand corner, give this a click, and then type Run into the search box. Now, underneath this match, you should see the Run app. Go ahead and click on this to open it up. What you want to type into the box is the following. You want to put a % symbol followed by local app data, then another % symbol, and then press Enter. What that's going to do is open up a folder like this. From here, what you're going to want to do is locate the Roblox folder. That's going to be under R. You can see the Roblox folder here. All you need to do is simply delete this folder from here. So you just want to click onto it and then press Delete on your keyboard, or just right-click and press Delete from here. As you can see, that's currently deleting, so it just takes a minute or two to run through and delete this folder. Just give that a second to do that. As you can see, that's now been deleted. So the final part of this tutorial is just simply to go ahead and restart your system. Once you've gone ahead and restarted your system, go ahead and open up Roblox, and that should fix the error code 403. So that's basically how you can fix the error code 403 on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.